Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to improve gaming performance on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin. Luckily for us, there are only a few things we can do to improve our gaming performance tremendously. First, let's head into settings. Now, let's keep scrolling until we'll see a nice section called Ultra Game Mode. We want to click on it, and as you can see, we have few things here. First, we want to make sure that our game sidebar is enabled. You can also check supported games, but this will only vary since we only have one game currently installed, that being Asphalt. The more games you have, probably the more supported and the higher this number will get. We could check out view enhancements, but as you can see, these are only detailed version and only graphical. They won't really boost the performance itself, only the look of your phone. But even then, once you have this sidebar enabled, like we had seconds ago, you can toggle these on and off however you want. And if we go back and we can check our eSports mode, we'll see that eSports mode itself is amazing for our case, since this is basically what we want to do. It will minimize our disturbances, it will optimize the control, it will optimize the display, and most importantly, it will nicely go through the CPU resources to create an adaptive frame rate and temperature, giving us the best gaming performance. We can try to activate our application. We can rotate our screen. As you can see, we have, well, we don't really see our node just yet. Let's get rid of the sounds though. Let's just get rid of that. And as you can see, here we have our game tools. And all you want to do in order to improve gaming performance is to make sure that your eSports mode is enabled. Then everything will be okay and be very buttery smooth. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.